Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do if you are having trouble logging into the Hard Rock Bait app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone. Once you are on your login screen, carefully enter your email address and password. Make sure there are no typing mistake, extra space or autocorrect errors. If you are not sure, tap Show Password or re-enter to double check. If you forget your password, tap Forget Password. From here, enter your email address and follow the instructions sent to your email to reset it. After resetting, try logging in again. Now check your internet connection. Login error often happens with a weak connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. After that, make sure the app is fully updated. Open App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Hard Rock Bait app and tap search. And install any available updates. Using an outdated version can cause login problems. If the issue continues, close the app completely. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Hard Rock Bait app. Close it completely and reopen it. You can also restart your iPhone to clear small glitches. Also, turn off any VPN you may be using. VPNs can block login or location verification. That's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix Hard Rock Bait login errors on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.